one more question. When do I change the filter, and also how do I change the filter?
That is a great question, Katira. Your new ionizer has a digital filter life indicator, and when that LED reaches the top level, you'll see a little filter icon flashing at you, and that tells you it's time to change your filter. Let me show you how to do that.
Oh, please.
When it's time to change your filter, you'll access this through the filter housing door on the back of the machine. We'll begin by sliding the door up and lifting it out away from the machine. Inside you'll see the old filter, and this is held by a spring-loaded mechanism. So with the fingers on the top, we'll push down and pull the top out. This is the filter housing cup, and this will come off with the filter, and we'll save that to put on with the new filter. Your new filter will come in a plastic bag and have caps on either end, which we'll need to remove. Then we'll seat the filter housing cup into the large end of the filter so that you can read the writing on the filter. Insert the filter housing cup back into the filter housing, pushing on the spring-loaded mechanism and seating the top. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's firmly in place. This is the filter life indicator reset button, and you'll depress this with the machine on and hold it for 5 seconds to reset the filter life indicator. And finally, we'll replace the filter housing door by lining up the tabs into the slots and pushing it down. An important part of maintaining and protecting your ionizer is to regularly check and clean the small inline pre-filter that we attach to the small 6-inch piece of white hose. If you notice that your water flow has slowed down a lot and it takes you a while to fill up your water glass, it's most likely that this pre-filter is clogged. So let me show you how to clean that. You'll begin by removing the inline pre-filter by releasing it like this. The filter has a rim into which the hose attaches. You push on the rim at the same time pulling the hose out, and it's like that on both ends of the fitting. Then to clean the filter, we simply run it under water from both ends, give it a good shake, look through the filter and make sure there's no particulate still in the filter. If there is, we might blow on the filter. Again from both ends, re-rinse it to make sure there's nothing left in there, and then reinstall the filter the same way we installed it the first time. We'll begin by pushing the filter with the arrow pointing towards the 6-inch piece of hose and back towards your ionizer onto the 6-inch line, and then doing the same with the long length of white hose and giving them a good tug to make sure that they're properly seated. Again, remember to do this regularly as it will greatly improve your performance.
And this little thing who came with the test tube, what is this exactly?
That's a spare fuse, Katira, and let me show you how to change or check the fuse on your machine if you need to.
Oh, practical, great.
If you ever need to change or check your fuse, you'll do that by accessing the fuse through the holder on the back of the machine. Begin by unscrewing the little black cap and removing the old fuse. You may have to tip the machine to get the fuse to come out. Your spare fuse comes in the reagent bag and simply gets inserted back into the machine . And the black cap rethreaded. Make sure it's on tight, but not too tight. There are just a few points I'd like to make in summary. Today we showed you how to do a direct installation to your tap. There are two alternate installation methods available. Please refer to your manual to find out more about these other installation methods. Secondly, refer to your manual if you have any other further questions. The manual is an excellent source of information both for troubleshooting, uses of the alkaline and acidic water, and any other information you may need or find useful. Thirdly, master and learn to use the pH reagent test kit. In various areas of the country, we have different types of tap water. Some areas have hard water, which is high in calcium and alkaline mineralization, and some are soft, which are very low in those types of minerals. And this affects the performance of your ionizer dramatically. So learn to use that test kit and calibrate the level of pH that you're drinking. Fourth, remember when you first start drinking alkaline water to ramp the alkalinity level up slowly. Start at a level 1, stay there for 4 to 7 days to let your body adjust. Then you can move up to a level 2, another adjustment period of 4 to 7 days. And after this adjustment period is complete, then you can experiment with the higher levels of alkalinity. And lastly, remember to protect your investment by changing your filter regularly and cleaning the small inline filter. It removes very easily and you simply rinse it out under the faucet just as we showed you in the video. So remember to do that and you'll ensure many years of long, happy use with your ionizer.